Want to know what comes in our embroidery kits? Let me show you.
So this is our most popular kit, the Retro Sunset. And it's actually the very first kit I ever made. This shows you 2 different ways you can stitch it, which is a satin stitch all the way across or a variation of short and long stitches to kind of give it more texture. The kit tells you what it includes, which is what I'm going to show you, and it also tells you what you need. So pencil to trace, scissors to cut your thread and fabric, and a whole lot of patience. So this is what's in your kit. So in this clear little package, you have all the thread you're going to use along with their numbers from DMC. This little business card here is actually a mini piece of artwork, and our needle is actually on the back side of it. Our 6-inch embroidery hoop, a piece of fabric. Top sheet gives you a breakdown of all the materials that are in your kit, loose illustration of what it's going to look like. So you're going to trace your design onto the actual fabric, place it in between your hoop, and then you'll start. Once you have your design transferred onto your fabric, you'll move on and follow your thread chart. So this thread chart tells you which colors go where, what direction you're going to stitch it. And this kit's very beginner friendly. You're only using a satin stitch here, so you're going up and over for your entire design. And it just tells you how many strands you're going to use for each stitch. And that's what's in your kit. Everything you need to make it yourself.